guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today I am here with 6 quick methods to fix open image with URL error in Pixlr. But before we get started, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to notified when our new video lands. The open image with URL error in Pixlr can occur due to invalid URL, unsupported image format, network or connectivity issue, image size limitations, Pixlr software issues. Now, let's move on to fix this with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Verify the URL. Make sure the URL you're using is correct and points to a valid image file. Double check for any typos or missing characters. Solution 2. Check image format and size. Ensure that the image format is supported by Pixlr. Common formats include JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Also, check the image size as there might be limitations on the maximum file size that can be opened. Here are the steps to resize the image. Right-click on the image file you are trying to open with Pixlr, and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, go to the General tab. Look for the Size section, which displays the file size of the image. Note the size in kilobytes, KB, or megabytes, MB. If Pixlr image size is more than 10 megabytes, resize it. Solution 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, browser cache can interfere with the loading of images. Clear your browser cache and try opening the image again. Follow the prescribed steps to do the same. On your computer, open Chrome. At the top right, click More. Click More Tools. Clear browsing data. At the top, choose a time range. To delete everything, select All Time. Next to cookies and other site data, and cached images and files, check the boxes. Click Clear Data. Solution 4. Clear browser extensions. Certain browser extensions or plugins can conflict with Pixlr's functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions related to image handling, and try again. Follow the prescribed steps to do the same on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Click on the 3-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, hover over More Tools, and then click on Extensions. In the Extensions tab, you'll see a list of installed extensions. To disable an extension, toggle off the switch next to it. Solution 5. Try a different browser. If you're using Pixlr in a specific browser, try opening the URL in a different browser to see if the issue is browser specific. Solution 6. Test with a different image URL. If the problem persists with a specific image URL, try using a different image URL to see if the issue is related to that particular image. If found issue with the image itself, try fixing it with Photo Repair Tool. This repair tool has the ability to repair JPG images as well as other image file formats such as PNG, BMP, TIFF, GIF, RAW images, etc. Now, let's look at the steps to use the software. Step 1. Download, install and launch Photo Repair Tool on your computer. Click on Add File to repair corrupt/damaged image files. Step 2. You can then select the files for repairing. Next, click on Repair to begin the repairing process. Step 3. Finally, click on Save button to preview and save repaired images on your desired location on the computer. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. After this, you will be able to open and view the JPEG images in the Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching and I hope you liked this video.